Creating flavorful preserved marinades and dressings. Title: Creating flavorful preserved marinades and dressings. Introduction: 100 words. Preserved marinades and dressings are versatile kitchen staples that can elevate the flavors of any dish. They offer a burst of taste and aroma, adding depth and complexity to both meat and vegetable-based recipes. While store-bought options are readily available, nothing can beat the satisfaction and customization that comes with creating your own flavorful concoctions. In this article, we will explore the art of making preserved marinades and dressings, and provide you with ideas and tips to help you create your own signature blends. Get ready for a culinary adventure that will take your cooking to new heights. Understanding the basics, 200 words. Before diving into the world of creating preserved marinades and dressings, it is essential to understand the basic principles that make them successful. Preserved marinades usually consist of a combination of acids, such as vinegar or citrus juice, along with oils, herbs, spices, and other flavorings. The acid component helps to tenderize the meat or vegetables and adds a tangy bite, while the oils provide a luscious mouthfeel and carry the flavors through the dish. Dressings typically have a similar composition, but with a thinner consistency that makes them suitable for drizzling over salads or vegetables. The key ingredients, 300 words. To create flavorful preserved marinades and dressings, you'll need to choose high-quality ingredients to act as the base. Here are some key components to consider. 1. Acids. Common choices include balsamic vinegar, red wine vinegar, apple cider vinegar, lemon, and lime juice. Each acid imparts a unique character, allowing you to tailor your marinades and dressings to your personal taste. 2. Oils. Extra virgin olive oil is a popular choice due to its rich flavor and smooth texture. Other options include avocado oil, sesame oil, or specialty infused oils, which can add an extra layer of complexity to your marinades and dressings. 3. Herbs and spices. Fresh or dried herbs such as basil, cilantro, parsley, thyme, and rosemary can add aromatic notes to your creations. Additionally, spices like cumin, paprika, garlic powder, and chili flakes can infuse your marinades and dressings with a delightful warmth. 4. Sweeteners. Enhance the balance of flavors in your marinades and dressings by incorporating sweeteners like honey, maple syrup, or agave nectar. These additions can help counterbalance the tartness of the acids and provide a well-rounded taste. 5. Umami boosters. Ingredients like soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, miso paste, or fish sauce contribute umami, a savory flavor that elevates the overall taste profile of your creations. Creating your signature blends, 500 words. Now that you understand the basics and have chosen your key ingredients, it's time to get creative and develop your own signature marinades and dressings. Let your taste buds guide you as you experiment with different combinations, quantities, and ratios until you find the perfect balance. Here are a few ideas to inspire you. 1. Zesty citrus marinade. Combine freshly squeezed orange juice, lime juice, olive oil, minced garlic, chopped cilantro, cumin, and a touch of honey. This vibrant marinade works wonders with chicken, shrimp, or tofu. 2. Balsamic herb dressing. Mix balsamic vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, minced shallots, Dijon mustard, honey, fresh thyme leaves, salt, and pepper. Drizzle this versatile dressing over salads or roasted vegetables for a burst of tangy sweetness. 3. Asian-inspired marinade. Whisk together soy sauce, sesame oil, rice vinegar, minced ginger, minced garlic, green onions, and a touch of maple syrup. Marinate beef, pork, or vegetables in this flavorful blend before grilling or stir-frying. 4. Mediterranean dressing. Blend together red wine vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, minced garlic, dried oregano, fresh basil leaves, chopped sun-dried tomatoes, salt, and pepper. This dressing adds a refreshing Mediterranean twist to salads or grain bowls. 5. Spicy chipotle marinade. Combine chipotle and adobo sauce, lime juice, olive oil, garlic powder, dried oregano, salt, and pepper. Slather this smoky and fiery marinade on chicken or steak for an exciting flavor kick. Tips for success: 300 words. Experiment with different flavor combinations and adjust the quantities according to your preferences. Taste and adjust as you go, adding more acidity or sweetness if needed. Allow your marinades and dressings to rest for at least 30 minutes before using them. This allows the flavors to meld together and develop a robust taste. Store your creations in airtight containers in the refrigerator. Most marinades and dressings can stay fresh for up to a week. Don't limit yourself to traditional flavors. Explore international cuisines and incorporate unique ingredients to create exciting variations. Label your jars or containers with the date and ingredients so that you can keep track of their freshness and flavors. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice cook, creating flavorful preserved marinades and dressings is a fantastic way to elevate your culinary creations. In this article, we have explored the art of making preserved marinades and dressings, and provided you with ideas and tips to help you create your own signature blends. Preserved marinades and dressings are versatile kitchen staples that can add depth and complexity to both meat and vegetable-based recipes. By understanding the basic principles that make them successful and selecting high-quality ingredients as a base, you can create marinades and dressings that are tailored to your personal taste. Dressings typically have a similar composition but with a thinner consistency that makes them suitable for drizzling over salads or vegetables. To create flavorful preserved marinades and dressings, you'll need to consider key components such as acids, oils, herbs and spices, sweeteners, and umami boosters. Acids like balsamic vinegar, red wine vinegar, or citrus juices impart a unique character to your creations. Extra virgin olive oil is a popular choice for its rich flavor and smooth texture, while herbs, spices, and umami boosters add aromatic notes and savory flavors. Now that you understand the basics and have chosen your key ingredients, it's time to get creative and develop your own signature blends. Let your taste buds guide you as you experiment with different combinations, quantities, and ratios until you find the perfect balance. For example, you can try a zesty citrus marinade with orange juice, lime juice, olive oil, garlic, cilantro, cumin, and a touch of honey. Or, a balsamic herb dressing with balsamic vinegar, olive oil, shallots, Dijon mustard, honey, thyme leaves, salt, and pepper.